biggest operations involving Indian intelligence and maritime agencies conducted after 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks was executed on the night of 31st December. This operation has invited a lot of controversy from defense, political and international perspective as well. To talk more on that, I am joined by Defense Minister Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Parrikar sir, thank you for speaking to Times Now. My first question to you. It took 50 days and a controversial statement of a DIG of Coast Guard for you to release the most crucial part of the evidence of the entire operation. Why is that?
No, the problem was basically in between when actually I had got the CD with me.
Yeah.
But in between there were elections. And if I release it during election, one is we were also busy. Media was busy with the elections, number games. And after that there was a by-election of my constituency. So at 2-3 days I was in Goa and Aero Show. So all these, it was nothing, there's no specific reason why it was not released. It had reached me about 20 days back, 15-20 days back.
Okay.
It was not released, as I would say, because of the other continuous assignments and continuous action which was happening.
Okay. A lot is being talked about the timing. It's said that you released it only because the DIG raised some questions, and that's the reason in defense of the government, you decided to release the most crucial evidence of the entire operation.
See, at that time also, I had mentioned very clearly that I will release the video.
Yes.
As I told you, right from end of January, first there was visit by Obama, then Delhi election, Goa by election, Aero Show. It remained with me without being released. There was nothing, no special pressure for releasing it.
Yeah.
And the evidence, crucial evidence was agreed by me to be released long back. DIG was just an, sometime it happens that issues come up. I also don't understand why that DIG specifically raised that issue on this occasion. That also is a big question mark for me.
Okay.
Who instigated him to raise that issue? There was no talk of that issue at all. So all those issues are separate. But when he raised a credential, and some people raised then question mark on the government's credential,
Yeah.
obviously I had to release it.
Okay, fine. One of the biggest issues, controversies surrounding this operation was political color of Congress. Basically, the Congress party spokesperson have been alleging all along that the Modi government converted, in fact, turned this entire anti-terror operation into a PR exercise.
Not at all. I think the exercise was first 36 hours was not even disclosed, obviously because of intelligence input we were still getting.
Yeah.
Even after the incident. So we were trying to find out more about the involvements of various non-state agents or state agents, whichever it may be.
Yeah.
So those aspects keeping in mind, we kept the operation even secret for 36 hours. It was disclosed only thereafter.
Yes.
And I don't think this has any political color. National security cannot be a political color exercise.
Yeah.
Unluckily, some people took a stand which put them in a corner.
Who are these
That's not
people?
my mistake. Obviously, you mentioned about the biggest opposition party. They took a stand which put them slowly in corner because they probably didn't try to analyze the full episode. Sometimes it happens that TV news channel reach you or the reporter reaches you fast. You don't analyze the full situation. Added to the fire was some report originating from Karachi. I don't understand. How can you depend on report originating from Karachi?
Yeah.
And that indicated about drug smugglers. For me, if you ask me, drug smugglers are as bad as terrorists because they also destroy the nation.
Okay. Well, you have been given enough time before I reached to a 50 days time to talk on that. But the Congress party appears still unsatisfied with the evidence so far you have released. Is there anything more you want to release or anything you want to tell the Congress
No,
party
there's
or other
nothing
smaller
more.
parties who have been raising questions and giving the political color to this entire operation?
There is nothing more to be released because operation took place at 1 o'clock in the night. 1 o'clock we stopped the boat. There was pitch dark. The video which even was attempted, because this is handheld video, which was attempted, shows nothing. So obviously the person is not going to keep it on. He just shuts it off.
But the Coast
He
Guard
starts
failed to recover any part of debris. At least
That-
some
that
wooden
was
piece should have been
the- that
recovered, or a
was-
body or something.
That is actually strengthens what we are saying, because if someone wants to destroy the complete evidence, he will act in this way. Number one, suicide. Well, I'm not saying they committed suicide in a particular manner, but there are variety of methods by which suicides can be committed quickly.
Okay.
Then burn the evidence totally down.
Okay.
See, if there was any impact on the boat, it would have sunk within 15 minutes, half an hour. But this boat was burning for almost 3 hours or 3.5 hours.
Okay.
So when the boat continuously burns, the idea was just to destroy the evidence in toto. The sea is very deep there.
Okay.
So you can't find anything. If
So, but the boat is
burns-
made up of wooden piece. There are a lot of plastic material on the boat, right from the rope, from to the cabin material, everything. But at least there should have been one piece of evidence what Coast Guard should have recovered from the operation site.
Just and I have seen burning of boat because of accident.
Okay.
In Goa, whenever fishing trawler met with some accident and burning took place, it burns to cinders.
Okay.
In 3 hours, a wooden boat, plastic, everything burns down. I don't think there can be any other interpretation of the full issue.
Okay.
And we are very clear. We had, to our satisfaction, some of the document evidence we cannot release, obviously,
Yeah.
because that can compromise our sources. We have enough evidence to satisfy ourselves. First of all, we were monitoring it for about 16 hours
Okay.
through Dornier. 5 Dornier sorties took place,
Yeah.
and the boat was in the same place.
Okay.
Tell me why boat should be in the same place. So there are many indirect evidences, and there are some
this
direct
thing has
evidence.
already been conveyed to the Congress party and other smaller parties who've been raising questions over the operation, and they alleging that.
I have nothing to say on their comments. I am convinced, as far as I am concerned, from whatever I have gone through, that it is a very good, clear operation where Coast Guard acted as per standard operating procedure.
But the political parties are
SOP.
still unsatisfied with this. They are not satisfied with this video. They're not satisfied with the other explanation which have been offered by Defence Minister and Coast Guard and other agencies.
It is for them to get satisfied. I cannot satisfy them if someone. It's very easy to wake up a person who is asleep. It's difficult to wake up a person who pretends to be asleep.
Okay.
So I think they are satisfied. They are only trying to just wiggle out of the tight corner they themselves put in.
You feel they're making the political.
I'll not comment on the political parties. It's a national issue for me, and it is beyond politics.
Okay.
As far as I'm concerned.
Okay, fine. Another aspect of the controversy revolving this operation has been with Pakistan. In fact, Mr. Ward, the Pakistan Defence Minister, also said that India has once again violated the international rule. So, what do you have to say? I mean, quickly after DIG's comment, Pakistan Defence Minister reacting like that, but after the video, they have not come up and said anything.
No, I think they themselves know very clearly that operation had a support from their side. I don't say who supported it directly, but if required, we can always produce proof on the whatever forum it is required to be.
Okay. On that note, let me ask you one last question related to this. Say on the basis like 26/11 happened, and India produced a lot of evidence to Pakistan at the international level as well. This is similar operation. You have some evidence again to prove that the origin of the boat was from Pakistan and the handlers were in Pakistan. Are you planning to give this set of evidence to Pakistan or any other international agency?
See, appropriate place, appropriate measures, Ministry of External Affairs and Government, Home Ministry or any other forum requires to take decision on this. They will take it at appropriate time if required. But I don't think in spite of all those evidences produced for 26/11, there was much of action. In fact, it is international and Indian media's outcry that stop Lakwi being freed.
Okay.
So you have to also see how it can be made use of, which forum. Difficult to say right
It is
now,
not yielding
but
any result, yeah.
as and when required, I think it can be used.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. There you heard Defense Minister Mr. Manohar Parrikar. He claims that the origin was from the Pakistan and the Coast Guard had followed the entire standard operating procedure, and if required, the entire evidence would also be produced at the international level or will be handed over to the Pakistan. With Gopal, this is Ashish Singh in Delhi for Times Now.